Number 1 selling ladder toss on Amazon, top quality, price customer service for family fun. Full set. Includes 2 premium PVC targets with score trackers, 6 golf ball bolos, 3 red plus 3 blue, carrying case and rules. Fastest assembly. PVC targets are pre-glued so assembly takes under 2 minutes, compared to 10+ minutes for competing sets. Premium bolos. Bolos are made using real golf balls for authentic gameplay and use thick rope to prevent tangles. Top reviews from the United States. Great fun. Bought this for my grandson and the whole family is thoroughly enjoying it, ages 5 through 75. We've played one-on-one, teams and tournaments, all great fun. It's nice to have the score counters so you don't have to remember your score. Kids can easily assemble it. You do have to be careful to remind the younger kids to stay away from the ladder when others are throwing the bolos so they don't get hit with a golf ball. The ladder gets hit a lot and we haven't had any problems yet with it cracking. For the amount of time we're using it and the fun we're having, it was well worth the price. Thinking about getting another couple of sets of bolos so we can use the 2 ladders independently and have 2 games going on at the same time.